Carmen Rupe, transgender pioneer.
I was the first Māori drag queen ever to start drag shows in New Zealand.
Carmen Rupe was a trailblazing transgender Māori woman.
Carmen's greatest achievement was displaying the courage to be proud of who she was, and that laid groundwork for those of us to come after.
Carmen was born Trevor Tione Rupe and grew up in Taumarunui.
People were very, very conservative, and I think when they looked at me, I think they thought that I had came from another planet.
In the 1960s, Carmen spiced up the Wellington nightlife, owning a number of businesses. The most famous was Carmen's International Coffee Lounge.
She became a Wellington icon just locally because of some of the scandalous things that she would be involved with. But I can tell you this much, that the highbrows and the lowbrows all came together in her establishments.
And when I appeared at the court, the police told me to go home and dress in men's clothes, and I wouldn't go. And I said to them, well, look, you caught me dressed as a woman. I'm going to go to court as a woman. I said, it's not up for you to say, we leave it to the judge. And I won my court case.
2 years later, she changed her name to Carmen, after the famous flamenco dancer. And through Carmen's experiences with the law, she helped to impact change.
Advocated for human rights, advocated for homosexual law reform, advocated for prostitution reform. The courage that she displayed through the sheer force of her presence to say, I am who I am, and that she was proud